Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Tech Turtles. Today we will going to let you know about the top 5 courses for machine learning. So let's get started without wasting any time. Number 1 in the list is machine learning by Coursera. Number 2 in the list, deep learning specialization by Coursera. Number 3 on the list, machine learning crash course by Google AI. Number 4, machine learning with Python. It's also by Coursera. And last but not the least, Advanced Machine Learning Specialization by Coursera. Thanks for watching the video. We have also added the links of these courses in the description. Please have a look and let me know if you have any doubts regarding any of the courses.